Students, suppose you are given this question, draw the graph of the polynomial, that one x square minus 2x minus 8. Then what to do, that fx x square minus 2x minus 8, you have to take y as a y, and you have to put this, yes, that one, it is as a y. If we put the value of x, then you will get some values here, that is y. So I make a chart here, minus 4, and then it is 16, 3, then 7, 2, then that one. Then I prepare the chart. And if we draw the graph, of this polynomial, then obtain the graph like that. This is the graph. This one is a graph. You have seen. This shape is called parabola, and you have seen that this graph intersect at 2 points. One is at -2, 0, and one is at 4, 0. So these two are the zeros of the polynomial. Is it? So in a quadratic polynomial, the graph is parabola. It is this graph is sloping upward. And why it is sloping upward? Because here that x square is plus, but if x square is minus, then it is sloping downward. Again, I will explain another one. Here you see, in this polynomial, the x square is minus 2x plus 3, x square minus 2x plus 3. Again, like that previous one. Is it? Like the previous one, the x we put, and when we x put, value of x we put in that function polynomial, then we get a value. That value is y. That value is y. And I prepare the chart like that, and then try to plot the graph. Then the graph will be like that. This is the graph. That graph is sloping downward. See, that graph is sloping downward, and this graph intersects at 2 points. It is also at 2 points. One is at, see, -3, 0, and that next one is at 1, 0. So the zeros are -3 and then 1, and this graph is sloping downward because here x square is minus. Next is that the third kind of graph I try to explain. This is that graph. The points are like that. Points are like that. And then if we draw the graph, you have seen the graph will intersect at only one point. At one point, it is also curved line, means parabola is sloping upward only because x square is plus, so sloping upward only. But you have seen that it is intersect only one point. Is it? In some of the cases, it happens that it only touches in 1 point. 1 point. So zeros is what? It is only 0 is 3. Actually, what will happen, that sometimes you will get the quadratic polynomial like that, x minus 2 whole square. So if x minus 2 whole square, you will get x equal to 2, or x minus 3 whole square. X minus 3 whole square, then 0 is what? Only 3. 3 is the 0. So in that case, this type of graphs you will get. This type of graph you will get. Is it? It will intersect only at 1 point. And the next graph, the fourth kind of graph, that the graph of the polynomial 2x square minus 4x plus 5, and I made the chart. You try to draw in your graph paper, and then if we try to draw the graph of this 2x square minus 4x plus 5, then you will see the graph will not intersect at x axis. That means not intersect at x axis. That means what? That means what? This graph have no zero. This graph have no zero because this graph not intersect at x-axis, because this parabola, this graph is parabola, have to intersect in x-axis. If it is intersect at x-axis, they have the zero, and if it is not intersect at x-axis, this point will have no zero. This is the graph. Okay, so I in summary, these are the graph. These are the graph. These are the graph. You can write that these are the two graph, have the two zeros. One is for ax square plus bx plus c. Is it ax square plus bx plus c? This graph. And if ax square is minus, then that is the graph. Next is that ax square plus bx plus c intersects at maybe at one point, sloping upward also, sloping downward also, maybe these two graph. Is it? I explained just now. And at a no zero, then graph will be like that, maybe like that or maybe like that. Sloping downward also sometimes. I only explained the upward only, and here also only upward only. Sometimes downward also, because it is minus. If it is minus, then it will be downward, and like that also. So these are the summary of the graph. Is it? And then one more thing is that the quadratic equation of a polynomial of degree 2 has at most 2 zero. At most means অতি বেছি দুটা জিরো হয়, এটা জিরো হ'ব পাৰে, তাৰমানে এটা জিরো হৈছে, ইয়াতে এটা জিরো হৈছে, দুটা জিরো হ'ব পাৰে, তাতকৈ বেছি হ'ব নোৱাৰে in the quadratic polynomial. This is all about the quadratic polynomial graph.